just in, brand new from Practical Publishing in England, the Wallace and Gromit Kraken Craft Magazine. Well, not only is it a magazine, it also has more goodies. And look, so there is an embossing folder, and puppy lovers are going to love this. So all the bones there, even an area where you can do a greeting. I would think Dazzles would be perfect, but you know, that's just me. Now, there's also these stamps, and that's a nice collection, just lots of them, coordinating with everything. Have a grand Kraken time. There's Wallace and Gromit. There's also these stamps, so you're really getting a bonus. Let's see, let me maybe turn it like that so you can see. So you've got happy birthday, brilliant, teamwork, time for a nice cuppa, and in the doghouse, just in case that applies. Now, but I'm not done. There's also a stencil. And so you've got the bricks, and they also have this beautiful swirl. So too, and if you want to do more bricks, well, just turn it over and you can get more. So that will work nicely too. And I'm not even done. These are foil die cuts. So you can see you're going to get 2 sheets. Actually, there's more than that. 3 sheets and 4 sheets. And then there are also papers, and these are all A4 size. So think of it as 8.5 by 11. And there are, I think, 8 sheets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10. Okay, so you've got all of those sheets included. Everything Wallace and Gromit, and then some things that are, like I said, can be used with puppies and whatever else you like. So let's get into the magazine and see what the design team has done with all of these goodies. And let me show you. So all in one, because you are getting so many things together. You're getting the papers, you're getting the foil die cuts, more paper, add a ribbon, and you're set to go. As you can see, that is the brick background. You can do that with the stencil. Very neat to do. Just tap an ink pad in through there and you are good to go. And let's see what else there is. Okay, I thought this was fun, seeing this little guy on the top of the card with the teacups down below. That works nicely. These are the die cuts. Yes, this is a magazine and box kit that we do carry. It's in stock right now, by the way. And more. So Easy Does It is the title of this. So it's really using, again, the papers and the die cuts all together quite beautifully. So, well, maybe beautiful isn't a term that you would use with Wallace and Gromit, but it's cracking good. How about that? And you can see more. So they're just really fun to have and to share with others. Now, there's some other things in this. So if you are a knitter, this is going to get this ready for you also. Actually, this is crocheting. There's knitting in the back, so that's interesting. More of time for tea, and that's fun. Again, the papers and the foil die cuts, as you can see. Here we're getting into some of the stamps, so that's nicely paired with the papers, and we're going to go even more. Here we have some step-by-step how to do that extended brick wall with the stencil. So that's nice. You can see the swirls on the other side of the stencil, how nicely they're used. And we'll go back here. This is the knitting. So you've got that too. So if you have a friend who's crocheting or knitting, this magazine is something you might want to share with them, of course, after you take all the special goodies out of it. This is a grand day, and it's all, again, using the papers, the die cuts, the stencil, the embossing folder, all the goodies that are inside. And let's see. So we'll go a little bit. This will show you a specialized card. Actually, it's a gift bag, so that's a fun idea. Step by step of how to create your own. And we'll go back here. And here is a more knitting, and they're talking about making a romper. I guess a romper is a sweater. So that will be good for those who are great with their needlework. And then this is a section really focusing on the embossing folder and what you can do with that. So some very fun looks. I love the different cardstocks being done with the embossing folder and layered as such. So really fun ways and lots of ways that you can use all the goodies in this kit from Practical Publishing. And I'm glad to say that they are exclusively here at paperwishes.com.